just allergic to. Unicorn. Crazy. You know, you're gonna swing your head really fast. Whoosh. It's like a flash. You know what? That is inappropriate behavior. My hair is too goofy. I just need to.
Hey, at least you don't have to flip your hair like every
You know
time.
what? I do flip my hair. Just go whoosh. Hey, who's that weird kid in the back? Is he dancing? Please tell me this child is not shirtless. You know what? I'm done with this. Okay? I'm done. You don't see me anymore. My face is gone. I'm not here still. I'm not here. I'm really not. No.
Look at me.
That lives in the laundry room.
Look at me, look at me.
Oh gosh.
You know what blubber tastes like?
Oh, I don't know what blubber tastes like.
Seafood.
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 You know what? I'm gonna take this finger right here. You don't want to know what the rest of my sentences are gonna be. My face is sore. God. Stare off into space. You know what I'm thinking about right now?
Mentally retarded people.
No.
What's your favorite kind of cheese?
Olive oil.
Oh. What are you looking at? I was like, what's over there?
I'm looking at retirement homes, and his name is Isaiah. That's disturbing.
Hey.
Goodbye
Oh, wait.
to all my friends and baloney.
I don't like bologna.
Duh, because it's called Bologna.
Bologna.
There's a G and there's an A on the end. It's supposed to just be two. Whatever. Goodbye to baloney and the junk in space, apparently. Say cheese,
Yes.
guacamole,
Guacamole.
and pizza.
I love pizza.
No, I didn't say I love pizza.